Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to get the new Pixel 3 launcher on any Android phone. So let's get started. So first of all, go to the description below and download the Pixel 3 launcher APK from there. Once you have downloaded the APK, then open it and install it. Once the installation process has been completed, then click on the back button and it will ask you to choose a launcher. So select Pixel launcher. Now you will see the new Pixel 3 launcher, but it still does not have the new Google bar. To fix this, just hold the middle of the screen for some time and then click on Home Settings. Once you have clicked that, then select Customizations and enable the new bar style. Once you have done that, press the home button and you will see the new Google bar on your home screen. Now drag some apps to your home screen to fill the space. And that's it. You got the new Pixel 3 launcher. So that's it for this video guys. Please click the round icon to subscribe, and if you want to see more videos like this, then please check out the playlist and I will see you in the next one.